Tech upgrades are not just another budget line. They affect your bottom line every day. In Selma, that can mean a manufacturing server stalling during quarterly inventory, halted shipments, and missed deadlines. It can mean a healthcare team needing a security patch while already stretched thin by new telehealth tools. Devin Walker, systems engineer and automation engineer at Hi-Tex Solutions, says it plainly. In Selma, we can't afford to wait for technology to catch up to our needs. We're adapting by cross-training staff and automating routine checks, so when a new challenge hits, we're already moving forward, not playing catch-up. That is the real issue. Businesses are not just fighting slow systems. They are fighting delays, burnout, missed upgrades, and missed opportunities. And 57% of businesses say outdated infrastructure drags down both productivity and innovation. Across Selma's industries, the pattern is clear. Manufacturing teams need retraining that makes automation work. Healthcare staff need modern systems that free them to focus on people, not paperwork. Logistics teams need secure, reliable networks for real-time tracking. Retailers need to keep digital shelves fresh. Energy companies need support as sensors and meters add complexity. The path forward is practical. Prioritize modernization before old systems force a crisis. Align security, automation, and compliance with your industry's daily realities. Invest in scalable cloud tools, check your tech stack, train your people, automate the basics. Work with local IT experts. Schedule regular strategy check-ins. Resilience is not a one-time project. It is steady work that keeps your business moving. Read the full article to see how Selma businesses can turn tech hassles into wins, and add this to your Spotify playlist.